You can survive 3 weeks without food, 3 days without water, 3 hours in harsh weather. Of those 3, water is the one most people get wrong. Not because clean water is hard to find, because dirty water looks exactly like clean water. And by the time you know the difference, it is already too late. Waterborne illness has killed more people throughout history than all wars combined. Cholera, typhoid, dysentery, all of them invisible, all of them in the water. Today, turn on the tap and the system handles it. But the system requires power, pressure, chemicals, infrastructure that took a century to build and can fail in an afternoon. A flood, a power outage, a broken main. Suddenly, the water coming out of your tap is not the water you think it is. And a filter that costs $300 in a camping store will not be available when you need it most. Here is what you need: a plastic bottle, gravel, sand, crushed charcoal, cloth. Total cost: 0. Build time: 20 minutes. This is a gravity biofilter, the same principle used for thousands of years from ancient Egypt to 19th century field camps. Cut the bottom off the bottle. Flip it upside down. Layer 1, cloth. Stops large debris from passing through. Layer 2, crushed charcoal. Absorbs chemicals, odors, and many contaminants. Layer 3, fine sand. Filters smaller particles. Layer 4, coarse gravel. Pre-filters large sediment before the water reaches the finer layers. Pour water in from the top. It passes through each layer. What comes out the other end is dramatically cleaner than what went in. This filter removes sediment, debris, odor, and many chemical contaminants. It makes turbid water clear. It makes foul water drinkable in appearance. But it does not kill bacteria. And this is the critical point. A gravity filter is step 1, not the final step. After filtering, you boil. 1 minute at a rolling boil kills virtually every biological threat in fresh water. Filter first. Boil second. In that order. Every time. This 2-step process is what field medics, soldiers, and survivors have used for centuries. After a hurricane, municipal water gets contaminated. After a flood, your well gets contaminated. After a grid failure, the pumping stations stop. In every one of those scenarios, the people who prepared a simple filter had clean water within 20 minutes. The people who didn't waited for help that took days. A plastic bottle, gravel, sand, charcoal, cloth. Keep these 5 things accessible. Not in a bug-out bag buried in a closet. Accessible. Known. Ready. The materials cost nothing. The knowledge costs nothing. The only thing it requires is that you know it before you need it. Dirty water is not a survival problem. It is an information problem. And now you have the information. The grid is fragile. You are not. This is MistVault.